Eric Falsgraf.
I am Eric Falsgraf from Coiffeurs Salons Paris, and today I present to you the new Holistics Cures hairdryer from TONDEO and Coiffeurs Paris. This is a revolutionary hairdryer, the first hairdryer with a technology that comes to us from Japan, using both volcanic ash and clay from deep volcanic waters. Red mode enables you to save 40% of the drying time for thick hair, and to save this time in the salon. You know how very valuable this is. Blue mode, using clay from deep volcanic waters, enables you to moisturize hair. The blue light, which activates the clay from deep volcanic waters, enables you to moisturize hair. It captures the water molecules in the air for better in-depth hydration. Treatment mode, which allows you to complete your brushing to give hair the best possible sheen and care, likewise enables you to work in the treatment if you have a mask or a treatment, and to work the product fully into the hair. The Holistic Cures hairdryer is also very easy to handle. It is very light, and in treatment mode it is virtually silent. It stands out from all other hairdryers thanks to its technology, its look, its feel, and additionally the presence of these lights.